Roof repair or replacement, making an informed decision. When you notice signs of roof damage, it can be challenging to determine whether you need roof repairs or a complete roof replacement. This video provides expert roofing advice to help you make a more informed decision. When do you need roof repair? A first or second leak. If this is the first or second leak, the damage isn't widespread and most of your roof is still sound. Damage caused by minor weather events, clogged gutters, or loose flashing can usually be repaired successfully. The damage is limited to an easily identifiable area. The more visible and limited the damage is, the better chances of a successful repair without encountering any surprise hidden damage. The damage is primarily cosmetic. Damage that doesn't interfere with the functionality of your roof is usually repairable. For example, dings or scratches can be restored, or the damaged section can be replaced without needing a complete roof replacement. Choose affordable roofing systems for your roof repair or roof replacement project. Choosing affordable roofing systems as your roofing contractor provides peace of mind. We're a fully licensed and insured roofing company with over 15 years of experience serving the Tampa Bay area. Call us today at 813-542-8462 or visit www.affordableroofingflorida.com to get a free estimate.